Good morning, all the way from Kabaka Farm. It's been a while, haven't been here. Almost, I'd say 2 weeks. But just come to check it out, see how it's going on. With all the rain going on right now here in Hawaii. Well, hopefully, there's still something to harvest and grow.